ओके तो रात के 11 बज रहे हैं और आइम शिलोंग का रिजल्ट अभी अभी आया है, कुछ समय पहले आया है। कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस टू द वन हु आर इन द शॉर्ट लिस्ट, ऑल्सो ऑब्वियसली कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस टू द वंस हु हैव कन्वर्टेड आइम शिलोंग। इट्स अ ग्रेट फीट। इन दिस वीडियो माय ऑब्जेक्टिव इज टू calm your anxieties this midnight regarding your wait list, to give you a good walkthrough of not only what the placement scenario is at IIM Shillong if you're going there, if you're aspiring to go there, that's also an important point, but to take you through the wait list, the previous 3 years worth of wait list data I've compiled for you so that you can get a sense of क्या नंबर तक जाते हैं। थोड़ा erratic है, I'll walk you through that. If you don't know me yet, I am Darpan Saxena, an MBA graduate from IIM Udaipur. I have been the MBA product head at Career Launcher. I'm the founder of Creatum, where I help MBA students create fulfilling careers without depending on placements. Now, without further ado, let me start off by taking you through some placement data because it is important to build your aspiration. Also, this is usually how I begin with. See, I'll quickly take you through this. I'll not waste time. Average salary has been 26.44. This is consistent with what the hierarchy within the IIMs is. If you see the latest placement reports of the ones which are available, IIM ABC, all three are at 34 LPA, followed by IIML at 32 LPA. कोई कोड इंदौर भी कुछ numbers हैं ऐसे, and then you have IIM Shillong at 26.4 LPA. Here's that. There are total 382 students who appeared for the placements, and the average salaries of the top 10% of the batch, top 20%, top 50% of the batch is given. So this is not top 10% of the batch. This is top 10% of the offers. I must correct that. Most people understand it incorrectly कि अच्छा जिसका CGPA top 10% है उसका है क्या, उसका नहीं होता, ये top 10% offers. PPO 75 students out of 382 students have got PPOs. It's a smaller number as compared to what you would expect at some of the better colleges like IML, K, ABC. This is a slightly higher, but does not matter. The school is doing really well for itself. Moving on from there, domain wise placement breakup always very important because this tells us really bare bones B school में चल क्या रहा है. Very heartening to see that consulting job offers are the topmost job offers. Even salary wise they are doing good. I must highlight this over here because while this is important, I don't talk about organizations and all, but I must highlight this over here. This is despite this 28% which you're seeing is despite the fact that out of MBB, McKinsey and BCG did not come to Shillong for this placement report. So only Bain came, and apart from Bain, बाकी जो आती हैं, for example Accenture Strategy, Alvarez, Marshall, Infosys Consulting, Price Waterhouse वाली consulting, वो सब आती है. तो मैं ये बताना चाह रहा हूँ कि यूजुअली MBB में McKinsey, BCG आके अच्छा नंबर ले जाती हैं. Accenture Strategy बहुत अच्छा नंबर ले जाती है. So this is despite MBB में से McKinsey and BCG. So this is good. Sales and marketing, Shillong has been doing fairly well in this. Finance 18%. You must check the placement report for what are the kind of organizations which come there, whether they are the kind of organizations which you want to be in for finance. So यही होता है usually, that the students who are aspiring for ABCs, and if they convert Shillongs of the world, and if they really wanted to do finance, and even if their profile was good for finance, that's what I do in my one-to-one calls. When you book a one-to-one call with me, what I do it is कि फिर मैं चेक करता हूँ कि अच्छा जिन कंपनियों में तुम्हें जाना चाहिए क्या वो शिलोंग में आती है या नहीं. अगर वो आती है, then I recommend you at a very personal level that yes you should go for it. So if you're confused, if you're stuck, even if you're in wait list, whatever you're feeling, I want you to let me know in the comments. Whatever you're feeling, please let me know in the comments. अभी anxiety हो रही होगी तो मैं अभी प्री MBA भी क्या एक्टिविटीज करनी है मैं बताने वाला हूँ, तो बताओ मुझे कमेंट्स में. और भी ज्यादा अगर एंजाइटी हो रही है, book a one-to-one call with me, join my free Telegram group as well. That is important. You can connect with me over there. Now coming back to this, let me move on to the domain wise highest placement offers. You can see IT analytics, usually tech has been doing really well at IIM Shillong consistently for the last 3 years. It seems that's the highest salaries. Overall, you see consulting, strategy, finance have been pretty stable. You would expect that there'd be higher salaries in finance, but that is what I was trying to say to you, that you need to check which kind of finance companies come there. Now moving on from there, I will share with you the waitlist numbers. I would want you to not be anxious about this. Waitlist numbers don't tell you anything, after which I'll tell you mool mantra of how to calm your anxiety if your parents are feeling anxiety. Moving on to the waitlist numbers, मेरे भाई ये है, मेरे भाई मेरी बहन जो भी देख रहा है वो ये है. Previous 3 years of waitlist data I have compiled for you. This is very erratic. If you see for general category, you will see last year it was 646. Before that it was 144, 223. This is the data, RTI data, which we found, which we've compiled for you. My team and I have compiled this for you, and this is what it is. Now, I would not want to speculate further from this. You know my style. I never speculate about these things कि कितना क्या होगा, मेरी कॉल आएगी वहां से नहीं, मेरा कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा कि नहीं, because nobody can predict this. I've been doing this for the last few years now for me to know that it's absolutely a futile worthwhile effort. All I would recommend you, like a brother, you can take a screenshot of this if you have to. All I can recommend you as a brother is to please calm your anxieties. Talk to me if you have to. Talk to anybody else who calms your anxieties. Do any, who calms your anxiety. Do anything which helps you in improving that. Also, do something very important. अगर तुम्हारी शिलोंग में वेट लिस्ट है, तुम्हारी किसी अच्छे बी स्कूल में तो कन्वर्ट हो रहा है, प्री एमबीए करना शुरू कर दिया है कि नहीं? इफ यू हैव बीन फॉलोइंग मी, यू नो फॉर द लास्ट 2-3 years I've been running this iconic pre-MBA program, How to Be School. Placecoms love that program, by the way. I've heard this from one of the old IMs. I've had interactions. Placecoms recommend at times some of these programs, and How to Be School has been a great program. Why? Because one, it gives you a walkthrough of what your MBA life is going to be like, how you should do well in your acads, how well you should do in your friendships, summer placements, final placements, networking, extracurricular activities. But more importantly, there is a course inside of that called MBA Concept Crashers, in which first year में जो concept पढ़ाने वाले हैं वो मैंने bite size lessons बना के डाल दिए हैं उसमें, ताकि तुम्हारी summer placements में help हो. That's why people recommend this course also, because that is something which is very unique about this. Business Communication Mastery is also a support inside of that. Then MBA Specialization Selector, अभी तक अगर समझ नहीं आ रहा specialization क्या है, बहुत जरूरी एस्पेक्ट्स हैं. तो एंजाइटी को काम करने का या जो भी अभी फील करो, उसका तरीका ये है, डू समथिंग व्हिच विल मेक यू फील कि हमें प्रिपेयर कर रहा हूं. दैट इज द मूल मंत्रा. आई विल टेक यू बैक टू दिस. जस्ट कीप दिस इन योर माइंड. दीज आर द नंबर्स. कुछ और स्पेक्यूलेट करने को नहीं है. लेट द डेटा कम आउट, लेट द वेट लिस्ट मूव, एंड देन वील सी वेयर वी गो. आई विल सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. लेट मी नो व्हाट यू वांट टू हियर फ्रॉम मी नेक्स्ट. थैंक्स अ लॉट. गुड बाय.